Day 2.
Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Oratilefaith and I am so happy you're here. This week we are doing a maintenance vlog as I will be going on a family vacation next week. I did my hair yesterday. Today I'm going to get my nails done. I'm going to do a bit of shopping. And yeah, everything's sweet and nice and girly, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys do enjoy watching and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's go.
Day 3.
Good morning, my loves. It's the next day today, and today we're going out for breakfast. So I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go.
Day 4. Tomorrow.
Good evening, my loves. Just to start off, please just ignore my hair. My edges aren't laid at the moment. It's 11:15 in the evening, on the 31st of December, and I just wanted to quickly pop in and just say a few words, before the year ends, just thank everyone who has supported me silently and loudly. That quote that's been circulating on Instagram. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you for supporting me throughout the year, for subscribing, watching my videos and everything. It doesn't go unnoticed, and I really do appreciate it. And yeah, so I just wanted to also give you guys a little bit of clarity on what's been going on in the vlog. So we decided to throw my sister a birthday party, as it was her birthday a few weeks ago. So yeah, we threw her a birthday party, and it was cute, it was fun, and yeah, I had fun, to be fair. It was very nice. And then we went to Doppio Zero the other day for brunch. Honestly, it had a cute aesthetic and everything, it was nice. The only complaint I really had was when it came to the drink that I wanted, because I had initially ordered a mimosa, and then the waiter had told me that mimosas only get served from 12 o'clock, and this was around about 11, right? Then when we checked, then I was like, okay, cool, I'll have an iced coffee, right? Okay, cool. Then a few moments later, we realized that people are drinking mimosas, and we're like, oh, wait a minute, what's going on, So then we checked the menu, and the menu says mimosas from 10 a.m. And at this point, it's too late because he's already ordered the iced coffee, and I was just annoyed about that, because I'm misinformation, the menu clearly says 10 a.m. and you told me no, 12 a.m. You're telling me that no, the menu's from South Africa, what, ish. It really just ruined most of the experience for me, to be fair and to be honest, but it's fine. Other than that, I personally enjoyed my food. It was really nice. They told me that it was the closest thing they had to an egg benny, right? An egg benedict. But yeah, we just felt it was, they were not wrong, right? It was good. I genuinely enjoyed it. And I remember, if you guys remember in my last vlog, I told you, I've learned my lesson, guys. I won't be trying new things in the menu on the menu, because you won't enjoy your breakfast. And on that note, my family didn't enjoy their breakfast. They really didn't. My mom was saying the potatoes weren't fresh. They were not happy with their food. So yeah, I on the other hand enjoyed my food. So yeah. And then I'm sure that most of you are wondering why I'm indoors on New Year's night, other than the fact that obviously I'm spending it with my family, right? I always go out on New Year's night, New Year's Eve, basically, right? And if I'm being honest, guys, it's not worth it for me. Personally, it's not worth it. I'd rather be with my family. But yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to be packing, as we'll be leaving on Tuesday.
The next day.
We are in Johannesburg, and I am about to go and see Muketwa. We're just gonna go and grab some dinner, and then I will talk to you guys later.
Why are they all pastry? I'm so confused now. Then I'll ask him what they mean that. So it's I don't want to put exactly. And the seafood pie on top of that. Because if it's pastry, then I might as well just get this one, the lamb, whatever's to go on. I don't like olives.
You don't like olives?
No.
I love olives. What do you mean?
The next day.
Good morning. It's the next day today, and today we're going to Durban.